step into the Kia 2019 Stinger Premium. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 2.0L-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 255 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.